This short guide explains how to buy shares of Ordissimo SA. Ordissimo is known for designing accessible personal computers and digital solutions, and it trades on Euronext under the ticker ALORD.PA. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you will need a broker account, and we use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds to trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker ALORD.PA to find the listing. Make sure you select the matching Ordissimo SA result to locate the correct share. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for the stock. Check the company details to confirm this is the correct Ordissimo SA listing. Tap the Buy or Trade button, choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be executed when the market reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirmation. Once placed, your position will appear in the portfolio view. For convenience, the trading link is available in the description below.